Hey kids.
No
Hey Nathan.
falling off the bed.
What?
What day is it?
Christmas Eve.
No.
Nathan, you're behind your
The
time.
real Christmas.
Yes, the real Christmas.
It's Christmas Eve, is like Christmas.
Hey, do you have anything to say?
Hi. Evie.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Do you have anything to say for the video? On Christmas morning?
Did you bring a diaper?
The real Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Alright,
Christmas.
she's pretty
Do you have anything to say?
No, I don't have any
What do you have to say?
What
What do you have to say?
Say Merry Christmas.
What's he say? Say Danny's.
Say Rumpelstiltskin.
No, say Danny's macaroni.
You said
What?
Danny's macaroni.
What? I'm not a macaroni.
Yes, you are.
Britta's macaroni.
No.
I think we should go soon.
Hi.
Hi. This is so exciting.